Okay, so let's talk about where we're going to put our punctuation here. Do we put anything in number 1? Nope. You don't have a subject and a verb here. What about number 2?
Yeah, after the mall.
Yep. After you've got, here's your sentence. Mrs. Smith is going to the mall, but she is not going to buy anything. How about number 3?
No.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
After Forrest?
Yep, because you have subject verb here, subject verb here. How about number 4?
After good?
Yep, because you've got subject verb there. What about 5?
Yeah.
Books.
No subject and verb. No comma.
Uh,
Okay. What about number 6?
After Forrest? No, new.
Afternoon.
New.
Okay. What about 7?
Forrest?
Horse. Right? What about 8?
No.
no.
Nope, because that doesn't make sense there. How about number 9?
After difficult.
Yep. And number 10?
After rice.
Yep. Okay, got it?
Mhm.
Make sure you do, because this is a tricky one. They love to test it. All right, let's talk about another way to make compound sentences. You can do them with things called conjunctive adverbs. Here's the same 2 independent clauses we used before. The dog chased the mailman, it bit him. This time I'm combining them with a conjunctive adverb, which are much longer. They're 4 letters or longer in length. Regular conjunctions are 2 or 3 letters long. Conjunctive adverbs are 4 or more letters. That's one way you can know the difference. When I use a conjunctive adverb, I also have to use a semicolon in front of it and a comma after it when I'm combining 2 independent clauses. The dog chased the mailman. Moreover, it bit him. So I have independent clause, semicolon, conjunctive adverb, comma, independent clause. Okay? Got that pattern? All right, here are some examples of conjunctive adverbs. Furthermore, moreover, also, in addition, all those kind of words mean and. Using for instance or for example, we'll get you to specific, like here's my list of examples. Contrast or but sentences. However, on the other hand, nevertheless. Effects, therefore, consequently, as a result. They're showing the effect pieces. If you need these words, you can get them off the Schoology course and you can just print the page or copy them when you go on there. Okay? All right, let's look at the problems that come up. First problem is the wrong word. We searched for seashells, moreover we didn't find any. That doesn't quite sound as good as if we had said we searched for seashells, however we didn't find any. Sounds a little better. Then there's punctuation issues, and this is going to get complex for us because I'm going to throw some extra things in here. We searched for seashells, however we didn't find any. Needs the semicolon here because you have a run-on otherwise. Here's an independent clause. There needs to be something here that's not just a comma. If I have the word, it can't be just a comma. This word means semicolon. If I had the word but, I can use a comma. Okay? Placing the punctuation wrong. We searched for seashells, semicolon. However, semicolon, no, you don't use 2 semicolons. You only can use 1. And then we searched for seashells, comma, however, comma, we didn't find any. I can't use the comma here because this is independent and this is independent. Now I'm going to show you where you can do this, all right? If I wrote this, we searched, however, for seashells. I'm not combining 2 independent clauses. I'm interrupting 1 independent clause. When I'm interrupting with this word, I use comma before and after. Because I'm not combining, I'm just interrupting. That's a difference with that. Okay? Does that make sense? All right. So, clicker time. Which of these is correct? Okay. Correct answer is choice 4. Okay. In both of these, the word is fine. So it comes down to a matter of punctuation. This one has Alan ate too much, therefore he had indigestion. 2 independent clauses. This has to be a semicolon, can't be a comma. Use the comma if it's interrupting. It's not, it's combining. Okay? This one, ate too much, semicolon, therefore I need the comma. Can't do that one. This one, Alan ate too much, semicolon, consequently, comma, that's the one. Okay? Tricky. Second one, which of these is correct? Okay. Correct answer is number 1. All right? So what we've got is, we have the 2 independent clauses. Charlie has to take the bus to school. He is sometimes late. Semicolon, comma, is fine. Down here, semicolon, semicolon, not fine. Can't remember, you cannot have 2 semicolons. All right? Try this one. Okay. Yes, number 2 is correct. It's the only one that uses and punctuates the therefore correctly. The others do not do that. All right, back to your worksheet, which is different than the one that's up here now. You have to go through and punctuate the sentences.